In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a debit card using the Wise platform. It's a simple process that grants you access to digital financial tools perfect for managing your transactions efficiently. So, let's dive in and explore your options. When you log into your Wise dashboard, you'll notice a range of options designed to optimize your banking experience. For our purposes today, we're focusing on the Cards section. This is where you'll start your journey towards obtaining either a digital or a physical debit card. Once you've clicked on the Cards section, it's time to select Order a debit card. This choice represents the first step towards setting up your new payment method. Here, you get to decide between a digital and a physical card. Each option comes with its own set of benefits, so consider your needs carefully. If speed and cost-free access are what you value most, a digital card is your best pick. It's perfect for immediate use, allowing you to start making purchases right away without waiting. On the other hand, if you prefer a physical card, be prepared to pay for it and wait for about a week for delivery. Let's take a closer look at how each process works. Starting with the digital card, simply click Order your digital card and follow the prompts on your screen. Wise has designed this process to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step to complete your order with ease. Similarly, if you choose to go with a physical card, begin by returning to the card selection section, and this time, click on Physical Card. Follow the same straightforward approach, provide the necessary information, and continue to follow the instructions that appear on your screen. After completing these steps, all that's left to do is wait for your card to arrive. Once your physical card has been delivered, there's an additional step to take before you can start using it. You'll need to activate it, and this can be done with a few simple clicks. Navigate back to the card section in your Wise account. Select the account that houses your new card and click Activate. Follow the prompts on the screen, which will guide you through the activation process swiftly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of ordering and activating your new Wise debit card, whether digital or physical. This straightforward process ensures you can manage your finances with greater flexibility and convenience.